the Mbombo leopard project here in the Mkuzi bush. Now, our vision is simple, okay? We are here to save the African leopard, okay? More leopards equals more green spaces, okay? Equals a greener Africa. Right? Unfortunately, guys, we've got a massive draw in the drinkwater, okay? There's a huge problem that stands in the leopard's way, and bizarrely, it's another type of nature, right? Human nature. Interesting phrase that, right? Human, nature. It's what I call oxymoronic, because it sounds moronic, especially to an ox. You see, the trouble is that people, we think human nature is normal, when it's not. Right? I mean, it's fine, because nature's freaky. I mean, how's this? Do you know that 3% of all ice in Antarctica is frozen penguin piss? Put that in your slush puppy and slurp it. You know? Snails. Snails can sleep for 3 years. That's the bonus, I suppose, of living rent-free. You know? Hey, what about lobsters? Lobsters are freaky. How's this? A lobster can actually excrete through its face, which makes it the only animal to talk complete cuck. And that doesn't make him naturally the freakiest animal in the rock pool. Trust me, no. The shrimp, a shrimp's heart is actually in his head. I mean, how does he know if he's having a heart attack or a migraine? It's like, you know, imagine suffering from like cardiac depression. Giraffe are freaky. Female giraffe have no vocal cords. Bonus. No, seriously, male giraffe. I mean, 75% of all male giraffe have had homosexual encounters. How's that? Kangaroos can't fart. That's why they bounce so high. And they're all stuffed full of Australian hot air, you know, Bruce. Bingo, Billy Bong! No, but seriously, it's free. How's this? A frog, you can rub its tummy, okay, in order to hypnotize it. Hypnotizing humans is exactly the same, you just rub them elsewhere. It's freaky, right? Human nature is freaky, and yet we think it's normal. And perhaps, maybe, changing human nature starts with accepting that we are all freaks of nature. You know? I mean, the youth of today are definitely freaks of nature. Eh? You know, I'm talking about the millennials. You know these guys, the late 20s, or early 20s now actually, kids. You know, welcome, guys, to the environmentally aware, technologically gifted, okay, flamboyant haired, gender unspecific, selfie taking, acronym using, socially inept future of human nature. Hey, how's it, guys? Oh, cool. Hey, is this beanbag taken, eh? All right. Oh. Yeah, so I'm Riley, eh? How are you guys? You good? Press, eh? Cool. Yeah. No, I've been on this bush course with this like Benny Bushwhacker dude. Yeah, honestly, such a tool, eh? Like, seriously. No, like seriously, eh? Like the other day, right? We're all chilling, eh? And it's like super mellow. And old Bushwhacker like pulls in and he's like, "Hey Riley, dude, you don't appreciate nature." And I'm like, "Dude, my screensaver's a waterfall." You know, like honestly, what the hell? I mean, I didn't even want to be here, man. I was supposed to be at like this huge gig like in Santon, but then I just thought, you know what, YOLO, you know, like let me just forego the FOMO, BC, I'm gonna get more JOMO for not going. You know? Oh, I was so wrong, eh? Like, guys, this place is bad. It's like seriously, no, like seriously, like it's like there's no reception. Like, see, I'm busy looking at like old photographs. Like it's serious. Honestly, it's like Survivor, you know, but without the rewards. So hectic. Yeah, I mean, I'm going to tell my mom and Loaded, my dad, definitely about this. Yeah, we're from Schlang or whatever. Oh, geez, I'll tell you. And you know what, eh? The other day, right, Uber Eats is like 275 kilometers away. Bro, like seriously, I mean, they get us up in the morning, right? I'm not even lying. For sunrise. Yeah, wait for it, bro. With coffee. Dude, and white bread. I was like, well, you know, I mean, I ate it because Uber's like 275 kilometers away. But like, jeez, it's like halfway to London for a deconstructed Avo burger, you know? Like, honestly, and then I thought, no, my economics tutor was like, no, you've got to like go and like do this course. It's going to like help with your work ethic and like show you what you've got, which is like nothing. And he, I mean, he's such a freak, you know? He's the one who can't even change the Snapchat settings on his phone, right? But I'm the dummy, because when he asked me about Excel, I said I do. And I'm sorry, I do. Okay, I excel, like at everything. Oh, when I'm in the mood. But like seriously, I'm going to tell everybody about this place. I'm going to blow it wide open, man. I'm going to tell my mommy. Definitely going to tell my daddy. I'll tell my work mentor as well. I'll probably tell my psychologist, I reckon. My life planner. Dietitian, personal trainer, life coach. No, man, I'm going to tell everyone. I'm going to tell them the truth about this place, you know what? And if they're not offended on my behalf, then let them walk a mile in my LeBron James autographed Adidas. You know? It's like, seriously, see how tough it is to live the life of Riley. I'm Riley, by the way. Oh, anyway, I'm out of here. Hey, Bushwhacker, dude, weren't you just pulling out? I just want to take a selfie. Just to prove that I was here, you know. Do something bushy. Ah, that's cool. Oh, check that one, eh? Yeah, that's epic. Dude, you're pulling a face. Oh, that's cool, I'll edit you out. Yeah. Hey, good luck with the environment, eh? Yeah, especially with saving the snow leopard, whatever. Later. Unfortunately, guys, technology is the future of the leopard. It's the future of human nature. And trust me, I've tried. You know, I downloaded Twitter. You know the directory of bird calls? I joined Tinder, you know, the firelighting app. I got so burnt, honestly. Yeah, they blocked me for going on about the length and hardness of my wood. You know, this is the trouble. These things, they don't use common sense, guys. And in the bush, believe me, you don't just need common sense. Eh? Common sense, it is your most vital sense. And snakes, for example, they bring out the worst in human nature because they make us abandon common sense. You know, I mean, you either become like some Santan mommy, like, oh my God, Barry, there is a flippin' green mamba right here in the kitchen. No, it's in the kitchen. It's gone between those blue and the orange recycling bags. Yeah, okay, it's gone to the glass recycling section now, babe. Yes, it's by the eco-chemicals. Yeah, it's right there. Oh my God, it's coming out, Barry. Here's Philemon, the snake. Kill it. Kill the flippin' snake. Chop it in half. Good. Okay, chop it again, Philemon. Oh, okay, go again. Chop it, Philemon. Oh, okay, I think it's dead, babe. Yeah. How long is it? I can tell you, not as long as it was. Hey? No, it's green. It looks like that sort of tagliatelle, you know, the gluten-free one. Yeah. Okay, babe, I'm over it. Thanks so much. I nearly died. And you know what? You bought nothing for me to wear to my own funeral. Okay, bye. Philemon, seriously. Oh gosh, now I'm late for the champagne beach cleanup. Fantastic. Have you got the keys for the Prius? I have the smart car. You haven't. Okay, well do me a favor, please clean up the snake. Please. And don't use a black plastic bag. Use one of those brown, recycled, upcycled ones that I've got downstairs in the craft cupboard. Okay, and what do we do with it after that? Philemon, we pop it onto the compost heap. Exactly, we've got to give something back. It's an eco-friendly house. Jesus, being an environmentalist is such a bloody mission. You know? Or, common sense turns us, or snakes, excuse me, turn us into this idiot. Hey, cool, man. Is that a black mamba, man? Yeah, cool. I really dig snakes. Yeah, I've got a chameleon. His name's Liam. I found him in the Fane Boss. Yeah, it's cool. Hey, check this guy. Hey, yeah, hey, little fella. He's bigger. Check how angry he is. Ah. Yeah, he's so cool. Do you talk with a forked tongue? Yeah, you do. That's so
so cool. Oh, wow, he bites, eh? That's so cool, man. Yeah, that's super epic, yeah. That freaked me out. I'm like surprised. Super realistic, yeah. Hey, does anyone else feel like their tongue is just like poking each other in the thigh? That's so cool, man. This is epic, man. This is gonna freak me out. Oh, wow, I can't breathe now. How epic. Check out. This is amazing, man. It's on the side of my face, so it feels a little bit. Oh, he's got all the. Okay, I'm actually managing to breathe. I'm going to video the whole thing, man. Oh, geez, I'm going to be trending. Oh my gosh, no, I'm sending. Oh, fuck, I'm ending. Unfortunately, that guy, he was posted before he could post it. Human nature, right? Maybe changing human nature starts with accepting that we're all freaks of nature. Thank you.